Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. Students, in this video we are going to see which are the questions which directly appeared from NCERT in NEET 2023 question paper, particularly in organic chemistry. So the first question is the given compound. So a compound is given is an example of vinylic halide, benzylic halide, aryl halide, allylic halide. So you have to choose among them. So here this is from the chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes, page number 160. You can see about allylic halide it is given. So you should know difference between all this, only then you can identify. So first, the difference between vinylic halide and other benzylic halide we will see. Vinylic halide is carbon-carbon double bond to this halogen is attached. This is vinylic halide. Benzylic halide is benzene ring. To the benzene ring there is carbon atom, and to this carbon you can see halogen is attached. So this is benzylic halide. Aryl halide is benzene ring, and to the benzene ring directly halogen will be attached. So this is aryl halide. Allylic halide is carbon-carbon double bond. To this one more carbon should be attached, and this carbon halogen will be attached to this carbon. So this is called as allylic halide. So here the correct option is allylic halide, and here in the textbook also it is given about allylic halide. You can see. Second question is identify the product in the following reaction. So a compound is given and you can see three reagents are given and you have to find the final product. So students, here in each reaction you should see what is the product formed. So the first reagent is cuprous bromide. So cuprous bromide with HBr. So you would have seen Sandmeyer reaction. So this is from the chapter again haloalkanes and haloarenes. So Sandmeyer reaction, if you see when it is treated with cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide. So here you can see cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide. What will happen is the entire thing will be replaced to halogen. So here, so this will be replaced by halogen, which is Br. So you will be getting this as the product. Second step is when you are treating this with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. So this is Grignard reagent. So when you are treating with Grignard reagent, what will happen? So see here, reaction with the metal. So when it is treated with the Grignard reagent, carbon metal bond will be formed. So see here, this is alkyl halide. When it is treated with magnesium in dry ether, you can see carbon metal bond is formed. So same way here, in the second step, carbon metal bond will be formed. Third step is when you are treating with water, hydrolysis. So here carbon metal bond will break and hydrogen will be added here and OH will be added here. As a result, you will be getting benzene. So the correct option is benzene. So you can see in the textbook. So Grignard reagents are highly reactive and it reacts with any source of proton to give hydrocarbon. So the source of proton can be water, it can be alcohol, or it can be amine. So finally hydrocarbon will be obtained. So here instead of water, alcohol can be used or amine can be used. So this you have to make a note of it. Next question is, so this is a ketone. So ketone is treated with HCN. So the product they have given. So next step, when this is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid and when it is heated, what is the product obtained? So see, you have to identify. So students, here how you have to analyze this. Here you have two functional groups. One is alcohol group and one is cyanide group. So how this alcohol and cyanide group is going to react with concentrated sulfuric acid. So here you see from alcohol, phenol and ethers. So see here, on treating with protic acid, what will happen is, that is concentrated sulfuric acid. When you are treating, when alcohol is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, you can see dehydration is taking place. So same way here, This is alcohol group. So this is alcohol. So when it is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, dehydration will take place. So for dehydration, beta hydrogen should be present. So this is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. So the hydrogen which is attached here will be eliminated along with OH. So as a result here, double bond will be formed. So see in the option whether double bond is present. So double bond is present here. So these two options will be, you will have to see any one will be the answer. Next, cyanide. What will happen to cyanide? So here you see nitriles are hydrolyzed to amide and then to acid in the presence of H plus. So in the presence of H plus and when it is heated, so what will happen is cyanide will be converted into acid. So this from aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid you can see. So here cyanide will be converted into acid group. Therefore this option will be correct. So next question. So this is the question. Which of the following will not give primary amine as the product? So all these four reactions you have to check. Which will not give primary amine? So first, amide is treated with lithium aluminium hydride. So reduction. So see here, page number 263. So this is from new NCERT textbook. Reduction of amide. So amide, when it is reduced with lithium aluminium hydride, so you will be getting a primary amine. So here this will give primary amine. Second is amide when it is treated with bromine in the presence of a base. So here you can see Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Hoffman developed a method for preparation of primary amine. So amide when it is treated with bromine and sodium hydroxide. So here instead of sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide is given. So the product will be primary amine. So here primary amine. Third is alkyl cyanide when it is reduced with lithium aluminium hydride. So here you can see reduction of nitrile. So when it is reduced, nitrile on reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. So what it is going to produce is primary amine. So this is also going to produce primary amine. So fourth one, isocyanide. So methyl isocyanide when it is reduced with lithium aluminium hydride. So this is going to give secondary amine. So you can see here the product obtained here will be CH3 NHCH3. So this is the product which is nothing but secondary amine will be formed. So the correct option is 4. Next question. Consider the following reaction and identify the product. So here to 3-methyl butane 2-ol when it is treated with HBr. So what is the product obtained? So this is from the chapter alcohol, phenol and ether. So you can see the exercise which is given 7.33. When 3-methyl butane 2-ol is treated with HBr, the following reaction takes place. So this is 3-methyl butane 2-ol treated with HBr. Same question. So see here. When it is treated with HBr. So what is the product? This is the product obtained. So you can see this is the product obtained. So direct cut and paste it is made. So this question 7.33 question is taken and directly it is given. So therefore it is very important. Page number you can see 224. This is from new NCERT textbook. So directly this question is taken from the exercise. So therefore it is important that you practice even the exercise. Next question is identify product in the following. So here there is a reactant. You are treating with zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl. So this is Clemenson's reduction. From the chapter aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, if you check, the carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones is reduced to CH2 group on treatment with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. So this is Clemenson's reduction. So ketone will be reduced to CH2 group. So here there is a keto group and here there is a keto group which will be reduced to CH2. So see here this is reduced to CH2 group. So this is the correct answer. Next question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. A unit formed by attachment of a base to first position of sugar is known as nucleoside. So this is from biomolecules. You can see the definition for nucleoside. A unit formed by the attachment of base to first position of sugar is known as nucleoside. So directly from here it is taken. So definition. So first statement is correct. So what is first statement is correct. What is second one? When nucleoside is linked to phosphorus acid at fifth position of sugar moiety, we get nucleotide. So see here. When nucleoside is linked to phosphoric acid. Can you see the difference in the question? Phosphorus. Instead of phosphoric acid, in the question it is given as phosphorus acid. So this is wrong. It should be phosphoric acid. So that is why question you have to read twice before answering. Because students in a hurry, what you will do is, so by seeing you will think that okay, this is phosphoric acid and you will start answering. So read twice the question. Phosphorus acid, but here it is phosphoric acid. Therefore second statement is wrong. So statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. So this is the correct option. Next question. The number of sigma bond, pi bond and lone pair of electron in pyridine. So this is pyridine. So you have to see sigma bond, pi bond and lone pair of electron. So lone pair of electron you can see 1. So here 1 is present in 2 options. So in this 2 option you have to check which is correct. So then pi bonds we will check. Pi bond you can see directly there are 3 pi bonds. So in this 2 option, pi bond 3 you have here. So therefore this answer is correct. So just check from behind. Lone pair of electron, pi bonds. Here itself you will get the answer. So later on if you want to cross check, then you can continue counting the number of sigma bonds as well. So count the number of sigma bond, it will be equal to 11. Next question is, identify the major product obtained in the following reaction. So this is the reagent when it is treated with this and base. So you are getting a major product. So here this is from the chapter aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So this is nothing but tolerance test. So tolerance test you see here. On warming aldehyde with freshly prepared ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. So this is nothing but ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. So what you are going to get is aldehydes are oxidized to corresponding carboxylate anion. Aldehyde will be converted to carboxylate anion. So here you can see this is the aldehyde group and this is the keto group. So don't touch the keto group. Only the aldehyde group we are converting to carboxylate anion. So you can see carboxylate anion is present in this too. So answer will be any one from here. So here ketone you should not touch. So keto group is present here. So this will be the correct option. Next question is, consider the following reaction. So here this is the reagent. It is treated with hydrogen iodide and it is heated. So A and B, 2 products are obtained. So you have to identify A as well as you have to identify B. So here from the chapter alcohol, phenol and ether. So you can see from page number 219. Example 7.7. So direct question. Same question you can see here. See here. This one and this one it is same. And also here, give the major product that are formed by heating each of the following with hydrogen iodide. So here also it is given heating with hydrogen iodide. So this one, when you are heating with hydrogen iodide, you can see here CH2I and here phenol is obtained. So here you can see CH2I and phenol. So direct answer you will get. So here examples. So it is very important you solve the examples and also the exercise questions. So from there, direct questions will be asked in NEET examination. So students, I hope it is useful to you. So please subscribe this channel and also share this video with your friends. I'll meet you in the next video.